Dear students, today we'll discuss an isometric projection of a sphere of diameter 60 mm is placed centrally on the top face of a square prism, side 60 mm and height 70 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. In this problem is given two solids. One is a sphere and another one is a square prism. Square prism is the base solid. On the top of the square prism, so we need to place a sphere of diameter 60 mm. So let us construct a square prism of side 60 mm and height 70 mm. I'll go to line command. Let's choose thicker line. So use thicker line. So I'll construct a square prism of side 60 mm and height 70 mm. Say length is 60 and angle is 30 degree. Then length is 60, angle is, let's keep 150 degree. Then length is 60, angle is, let's keep minus 150 degree. And length is 60, angle is minus 30 degree. Now the height is given from all the corners. It should be 70 mm. Length is 70, angle is 90 degree. From this corner, length is 70, angle is 90 degree. From this corner, length is 70, angle is 90 degree. Then from this corner, length is 70, angle is 90 degree. Let's connect all the points. Let's connect all the points. I'm connecting all the points like this. Now delete the hidden edges or trim the hidden edges. Not visible, not visible, not visible. This is a square prism of side 60 mm and height is 70 mm. Let's find the center at the top surface, square face. So I'll go to line and use thin line. Let's connect the midpoint of this line and midpoint of this line. You can see the midpoint symbol. Similarly, midpoint of this line and midpoint of this line. So you will get a center. You will get a center. Now, sphere of diameter 60 mm. The diameter is given, that is 60 mm. It's a sphere of diameter 60 mm. Now I'll go to line and I'll choose an axis line. Pick the endpoint, pick the intersection point of these two. From here, it should be 60 by 2, that is 30 mm, and it should be 90 degree. So I constructed a sphere. I constructed the axis for the sphere. Now let's convert these into isometric projection. This into isometric projection. Isometric scale. Go to scale and switch on copy. Let's switch on copy. Scale factor 0.8164 is the scale factor. Press enter from your keyboard and get this one. So I'll switch off scale factor. Select this, go to scale, switch off scale, switch off copy command in scale, and scale factor is 0.8164. Press enter from your keyboard, click anywhere on the screen, then go to the circle, and select a thicker line. So diameter should be 60. It should be true length. You need to take true length diameter. So I'm placing this exactly here. Okay, and it's a continuous line. Let's change the line type as continuous line. And trim the hidden edges. Not visible, not visible. This is not visible, and this is not visible. Okay, and even you can trim this. I'm trimming this, okay. This circle should be true length, true diameter we need to take, and rest of the part should be iso scale. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.